Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. I have a project share I want to share with all of you, and it's to hold a gift cards. And so I made two gift card holders, one for a girl, so I made a feminine one, and that's a handbag style gift card holder. And I also made one for a male, which is perfect for Father's Day or for a boy, a birthday card. And I made a toolbox style out of this one using my dies, and I also used some of my other dies that I purchased online for the handbag die. So I'll just open it up and show you. So you just push it open like that using a double-sided Velcro, and that's how it looks, and there's your gift card holder in there. So to make this one here, I just cut a piece of cardboard, folded in half, and then I just trimmed it and shaped it to make it to look like a handbag. And I then embossed it using an embossing folder to give it that quilted textured look. So it looks like the handbag has got a nice pattern on it. And I used this embossing folder here, which is this one here, but I had it that way when I made the handbag. And then I just added some flat back rhinestones to give it a more bling on the handbag. And that's the back. I added a satin bow in the middle and just a little tassel charm here. And with this one here, this is another flower die set I also purchased online. That's this one, and I think you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and they're a very good size. So that's that one. And I also added a charm dangle to the handbag, and it's also a little bonus here. So what they do is they can just unclip the clasp, and they can also use a tassel somewhere else, maybe in their planner or on their actual handbag in the zipper part, and have that as their dangle. And I just attached a ball chain to the handle, and this is also another tassel die, and that's this one. And that came in a set of 3. So when you run it through the machine, it will cut like all these little, this is just the leftover bit of the tassel, so it'll cut it all like that. And then all you do is just roll it and just keep rolling it till you get that. And then I just added a bead cap to the end. Again, that's these ones I purchased online for I think a couple of dollars for about 50 pieces. So that's the bead caps I use for the tassel. Then I added some of my beads, a butterfly charm, and I can also do a tutorial on how to do these dangle charms as well. If you would like, just leave a comment in the description box, and I'm happy to do a tutorial on how you can also make these dangle charms. So that's the outside, and the inside is the gift card when you open it. And that I used a Stephanie Bernard's the Stamps of Life die set. I bought that a while ago, and it looks like this. So it's actually a pocket tag die, and you get the tag, and then you get this little cutout part where it actually holds the gift card in place. And then when you run it through the machine, it'll cut those two ends. And it comes with these other little pieces that you use as the hole for your string, if you wanted to use that. I just cut that little bit off because it was going to stick out on the end. And then this is a perfume bottle die, and that was one of my favourite dies actually, which is this one here. and when you run it through, it actually embosses this pattern, as you can see. And then I just use an oval die set for that one, which is this one here. And I also used the 2 dies to make the handle, so I used the large one and the 3rd one down, like that. And then I just run it through the machine, and then it'll give you like a frame. And that's how I did that one. So that's the handle gift card holder for the girl. And for the boy, I made this one here, and this uses another die set, which is this one here. It's a set of 4 tools. That's that one, and you get that one, and that one. So that's those. And then I just paper pieced it with a yellow cardstock to make for the handle. And then I actually ran through a foam sheet to raise the die up. So that's the foam die when you run it through, and then I just sort of ran another piece and then just adhere that to give it more dimension, like that. This I use an embossing folder as well for this one. It's the dots, and that's this one here. And when you run it through the machine, it'll come out sort of like that. And when you open it up, oh, and also this part here is the actual insert, the inside part of the handle there. So I just use that as a tag, and I just stamped for you. And you open it up, and that's the gift card as well. And then I just had a stamp set similar to the dies, and I just put that there. And then I used some Velcro dots, and that's this one here. 1 second, I'll just see if I've got it. Okay, so that's these ones which I got online for a couple of dollars, and I think you get 100 pieces. So I got the black one and the white one. So that's, and I think this one here is 10 mil in size. Okay, so I just wanted to give you this project share. If you wanted to see how I made the handbag one or the toolbox one, I'm happy to do a tutorial for you. But I just wanted to show you how I made these gift card holders. So thank you for watching.